JapanesePod 101 walkthrough. Welcome to JapanesePod 101, one of the fastest, easiest, and most fun ways to learn Japanese. Let's take a quick walkthrough of the premium experience. When you log in, you'll land on the dashboard, your central hub. From here, you can access your profile, study statistics, pathways, word of the day, featured lessons, and latest news. Pathways and lesson library. This is your guided learning journey. In the dashboard, you can edit all of your pathways like sorting and removing. To check for all pathways, click Browse All Pathways for you to be redirected at the lesson library. You can also see the lesson library at the Lessons tab. Here, you can check all the pathways based on your level. You can choose from Absolute Beginner to Advanced, so you always know what to study next. You can sort it by alphabetically, recently, and popularity. You can choose your preferred format, video, audio, or both. You can also filter lessons by categories like conversation, reading and writing, vocabulary, grammar, and culture. There's also Classic Mode, which shows the original lesson layout before the 2017 update. Great for users who prefer the older structure. To add a new pathway, just click the pathway you want and then click Follow. If you don't know where to start, just click the recommended pathway for U level. Inside a pathway, after you follow a pathway, you'll proceed to the Pathway section, where you can check the entire learning journey. You can check Pathway Overview to see all courses you'll learn. You can also check your grades here. And you can check all the Pathways vocabulary, where you can change view, add romanization and translation, and sort all vocabulary. Then you can also skip all the assessment. Inside a lesson of a pathway, you'll first see the pathway introduction video, and you can mark it as complete after finishing it. Every start of a pathway, you'll take an assessment to measure your level. Answer honestly, and if you're unsure, select I'm not sure. Results are graded instantly, and you can review mistakes, retake the quiz, or continue learning. After finishing a lesson, you can mark it as complete, add it to favorites, and add notes. You can see your notes at More tab. In some lessons, you can save it to PDF and download all learning content for offline learning. Other lessons include vocabulary/dialogue practice, where you can listen to words and add them to your word bank, or flashcards for review. You can also practice your pronunciation.
はじめまして。私は小林です。よろしくお願いします。はじめまして。私は小林です。よろしくお願いします。
You can also view the video transcription below and save it as PDFs of study statistics. In My Report, you can track completed lessons, reviewed flashcards, and total study time. You can also view your activity history and earn badges as you reach milestones. Vocabulary tab. Here, you can check all flashcards you saved and review it in full screen or dark mode.
木曜日。木曜日。水曜日。火曜日。
You can also check your flashcard statistics for all learned and mastered words or phrases. Vocabulary list. Browse vocabulary lists by category and add decks to your flashcard review. You can also change the view based on your preference.
好きです。好きです。
You can also view vocabulary lists as a slideshow.
好きです。I like it. 嫌いです。I don't like it. 気に入りましたか？
Do you like it?
大好き。I love it. スポーツ大好きです。
I love sports.
Word bank. Your word bank stores saved words and phrases for review. Word of the day. Every day, you'll get a new Japanese word with pronunciation, meaning, and example sentences. Use show hint to guess the meaning first. Save words to your word bank or flashcards and review them anytime. You can also revisit past words and adjust hint settings. Japanese dictionary. Use the built-in dictionary to look up words and explore common phrases. You can also study the most common Japanese words and Japanese key phrases. More tab. Here you can check the Japanese resources, where you can download materials like the alphabet, grammar guides, and verb lists for free. Grammar Bank, to search for grammar items you want to look for. Kanji Bank. This is where all your saved kanji, you can start a quiz to review them anytime. My Feed. It allows premium members to fully customize their personal feed and choose specific lessons and files. Blog. Explore additional learning content in the blog section. And that's your full walkthrough of Japanese Pod 101 Premium. Upgrade to Premium Plus, around $23 per month, for a personal teacher, one-on-one support, and hand-corrected assignments. Here are all of the subscriptions you can get in Japanese Pod 101. Heads up! Japanese Pod 101 is having a huge limited-time sale. You can lock in 45% off forever on all plans, including Premium Plus. Make sure to use the code ALLLANGUAGERESOURCES to stack an extra 25% savings on top of that. This offer ends June 19th, so click the link in the description right now to claim your discount and read our full detailed review. With structured pathways, flexible lessons, and powerful tools, Japanese Pod 101 helps you learn Japanese effectively. Start exploring, stay consistent, and enjoy your language learning journey. Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe for more language learning content.